Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure capital with Goldman Sachs easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Goldman Sachs website. Locate the investment or capital section of the homepage. Click on the Apply for Financing or Get Started button. Create an account by filling out the required personal and financial information. Verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your new account. Gather the necessary documents, such as your business plan, financial statements, and personal identification. Navigate to the application section specifically for capital requests. Complete the online application form, ensuring all fields are filled accurately. Double-check your information for any errors or missing data. Submit your application and document uploads. Monitor your email for updates or requests for additional information. Be prepared for a potential interview or discussion with a Goldman Sachs representative. Ask any questions you may have during this process to clarify your options. Once approved, carefully review the terms of the capital offer. Accept the agreement through the online portal. Finalize any needed paperwork and keep a copy for your records. Stay in touch with your assigned representative for ongoing support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.